Hi, everyone. Today, I'm going to read for you our little book that I made. If you have the same book, you can read along. This is called My Smelling Book. And there is a picture of a nose smelling. We're going to close our eyes and smell the page and see if you can guess what it is. So this is the first page. What does it smell like? It's sweet. I think I've had this before. I think it smells like cherries. All right, then we're going to read the second page. Blueberry. Okay, try to guess this one. It smells like strawberry. Orange. Apple. The end. That's the end of our story. I hope you enjoyed the little smelling book, and you can try having your family members guess too. What does it smell like? Until next time, bye.